MidJourney and Stable Diffusion offer two very different paths for creators who want a powerful AI art workflow. One gives you polished results with minimal effort, and the other gives you full control over how your images are made and used. If you are trying to choose the best option with licensing and ownership in mind, here is a clear, natural script that fits a long-form video. MidJourney is known for its artistic style and its ability to turn simple prompts into striking, imaginative images. Designers often describe MidJourney as a tool that feels inspiring right from the first output. It excels at rich textures, dramatic lighting, and visually expressive results. When you want concept art, mood boards, character designs, or stylistic scenes, MidJourney tends to lean into bold creativity. Many artists choose it because it offers a high degree of visual personality, even from minimal direction. Its interface runs inside a chat-based workflow, which some designers find refreshing because it feels conversational and collaborative. You type an idea, see 4 interpretations, and then refine them until they match your vision. For people who enjoy exploration, MidJourney can feel like having a personal art studio that responds instantly to new ideas. Stable Diffusion offers a very different experience. It is open source, so you can run it locally on your own machine or on a private server. This gives you complete ownership over the model, the data, and the entire workflow. You can install custom checkpoints, use community-trained models, or fine-tune your own version for specific styles or brands. This level of control allows creators to build a fully private art pipeline that never leaves their device, which is valuable for client work, corporate environments, or projects that need strict confidentiality. Stable Diffusion also lets you manage licensing in a more direct way. Because you control the model, you can decide which training sources to trust, what styles to include, and how the final outputs are used. The trade-off is that Stable Diffusion requires more technical setup. You need to manage hardware, install tools, and understand how different models work. When comparing the two, it becomes clear that MidJourney is best for creativity that needs speed and polish. It's great for artists, designers, and marketers who want inspiration and production-ready visuals with minimal effort. Stable Diffusion is best for creators who value control, privacy, and long-term ownership. Its open ecosystem lets you build custom styles, train personalized models, and create art pipelines that belong entirely to you. If you want the easiest path to beautiful output, MidJourney shines. If you want the strongest licensing control and the freedom to own your workflow end-to-end, Stable Diffusion offers unmatched flexibility. Both tools are powerful. The choice depends on whether convenience or control matters more to your creative process.